Hello everyone. I received a message on the Dribble platform from a client who's interested in redesign his website. He saw my Figma website project and really like it. If you visit my Dribble profile, you can see the design that catch this his attentions. I started communications with him and we move our communication to the telegrams. We discuss everything in the details. I have document the communications in a Google Docs for reference. The client website is called the polar.coms. It is not typical ticket selling website. It is based on the affiliate engine. People use it to find the best price for the flight. He doesn't sell the ticket directly. And the here's a looks the current websites. As you can see, this the design is outdated as a not visual appealing. He want to complete the design, especially he want to improve the home page and the flight search result page and the router page. In this video, I will walk you through the design process and show you how I plan to improve the website step by step. Let's start. After complete my research, I did start working on homepage. B- but before jumping into the design, I follow a structured process. First, I review and refine the existing logos. Then, I created a mood board to gather design inspirations and define the overall visual directions. Next, I built the component for the website, which helped me maintain consistent throughout the design. After that, I created a design system ensured the typography, colors, spacing, and UI elements were standards and ready to scale. Here you can see the homepage redesign. We have updated the layout with the clean and more minimal UI design. You can also notice the improvement maneuvers throughout the page. We focused on simple structures to make everything easier to navigate. This is the hero sections. We made sure to use high quality visual possible to enhance the user experience. The previous website had low quality visibility and flat clutters. In this redesign, we focused on clean typography, minimal titles, and easy to use navigation and search functionality. We have also introduced booking option. As you can see, when compares the old website and the new versions, the changes are quite significant. We had new sections. Heads user can now book a car rentals and they purchase the eSIMs and the e-visa all in one place. Moving on the top destination section. On the old website, this area lacked of clear call to action, consistent and the suffered from inconsistent layout and the presentations. In our new design, we made sure everything is clean and visual aligned with the brand. The icons and button styles are consistent and the in information is much easier to understand. Next, we can see another redesign section. The old website has the inconsistent button styles, the low contrast in the card elements is unclear visual hierarchy. We have addressed all of that. Every element now is better, better and clean design and fully consistent buttons, style and colors. Lastly, here the update footer section. You can compare it with the old version which has too much unseen space has the misaligned copyright. Our new footer is clean and minimal and the proper structure reflect the professional finish. You can see
If you
the
want to
full
see
my full website redesign analysis. You can check my video description. Thank you for watching my video.